What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Learn English with Gaetana. In this video, we are going to look at an English phrase. However, before we immediately get into it, first of all, let me ask you a question. Here is my question. Which of the following four pictures are not on all fours? A, B, C, D. Alright, please pause the video and let me know your answers in the comment section below. So, what does on all fours mean? Simply, on all fours means to have both your hands and legs on the ground. As you can see, on all fours is the combination of three words. The first one is on, the second one is all, and the last one is fours. So together, on all fours. What does it mean? It means to have both your hands and your legs on the ground. ባጭሩ አንድ ሰው ለመዳህ እጆቹና እግሮቹ መሬት መንካት አለባቸው አይደለ? ያ ድርጊት በእንግሊዘኛ ምን ይባላል? On all fours ይባላል. Alright, in order to understand the phrase more clearly, let's watch the following two videos. እስኪ የሚከተሉትን ሁለት ቪዲዮዎች እንመልከት። የመጀመሪያው So, as you have seen in the video, the woman has got down on all fours. Video number 2. As you can see, right now, the man is on all fours. Now, let's see some English verbs that can be conjugated with the phrase on all fours. አሁን ደግሞ የምንመለከተው on all fours ከሚለው የእንግሊዘኛ ሐረግ ጋር አብረው ሊዋቀሩ የሚችሉ የእንግሊዘኛ ግሶችን እንመለከታለን. So, the first one is be verb. We can use any be verb with the phrase on all fours. For example, the girls will be on all fours to look for the keys under the bed. Number 2, crawl. Crawl is the other English verb that can be conjugated with the phrase on all fours. For instance, the kid crawled on all fours across the dining room. And the third verb that can be conjugated with on all fours is get down. Get down on all fours is also possible. For example, the boys are getting down on all fours. As you can see, we have getting down. Before getting down, there is are, that is an auxiliary verb to be. Before are, there is the boys. As you know, the boys is the subject of the sentence. And the first verb that can be used with the phrase on all fours is go. For example, Helen has gone down on all fours to scrub the floor. So we have gone down on all fours. Before gone down, there is has. As you know, has is an auxiliary verb. Before it, there is Helen. Helen is the subject of the sentence. These are some of English verbs that can be conjugated or used with the phrase on all fours. Here, there is one thing that you need to remember. It is on all fours, not on all four, okay? On all fours ነው እንጂ የምንለው on all four ማለት አይቻልም. Always at the end of four, there must be the letter S. On all fours, that is correct. However, on all four, that is incorrect. Alright, I am done. However, before I depart you, let me ask you a question. Here is my question. Write your own sentences by using the phrase on all fours. That is all that I have for today. If you want to master more English phrases with me, please subscribe to this channel right now. If you are not new to my channel, don't forget to smash the like button. In addition, if there is anyone who is learning English language, please recommend this channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care.